Most people stay on the sidelines of e-commerce because they're terrified of MOQs, warehouse fees, and the nightmare of global shipping logistics. But there is a faster way to exit the trading time for money trap. Digital products have zero marginal cost of reproduction and no physical overhead. Hey guys, it's Evan from the Shop Ninjas, and today I'm showing you 7 high-margin assets you can launch on Shopify by the time the weekend is over. The first is PDF guides and ebooks. This isn't just for novelists. If you have a specific skill, from fitness programming to technical SEO, you can package that intellectual property into a high-value PDF. The second product is prompt libraries. With the explosion of generative AI, people are desperate for engineered prompts that actually work. Selling a curated library for Midjourney or ChatGPT is a massive growth vertical right now. The third product that performs really well on Shopify is AI art packs. Designers and marketers need high-quality, themed assets for their campaigns. If you're generating unique, high-res AI visuals, you can bundle them into themed packs. Next is software tools and scripts. Whether it's a Python script to automate a boring task or a custom Shopify Liquid snippet, developers are making thousands by selling small, functional pieces of code. Product number 5 is online courses and video content. You don't need a massive LMS. You can sell gated video series or masterclasses directly as digital downloads. The 6 types of products are music, audio, and sound packs. For the creators out there, selling royalty-free beats, transitions, or sound effects is a recurring revenue goldmine for the creator economy. And lastly, templates and design assets. From Notion dashboards to Canva templates and Figma files, people will pay to skip the blank page phase of their work. If you can build a system that saves someone 3 hours of design work, you have a product that people will buy on site. Now let's get to the biggest hurdle, the fulfillment architecture. You can't manually email every customer. That's where PayDrop comes in. It acts as the connective tissue for your store, handling the entire digital fulfillment cycle automatically. The second a checkout clears, PayDrop delivers the files or license keys via branded email. It manages license tiers at the product level and sets access limits so your IP is protected. For subscription-based tools, it even handles the recurring billing and provides a self-service portal so your customers can manage their own access. Digital products allow you to scale your system instead of your labor. If you're ready to launch, PayDrop may be the answer to your delivery automation problem. Hit that subscribe button for more tactics on scaling your Shopify brand, and I'll see you in the next one.